Hello and welcome to our journey into the world of Adobe After Effects scripting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. In this series, we're diving deep into scripting from scratch to advance, step by step. After Effects is a powerful tool in the world of video editing and animation. But did you know that with scripting, you can unlock even more potential? That's right. Scripting allows you to automate tasks, create custom effects, and much more. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Sharing this video with friends or on your social media can help us reach more people just like you, eager to learn. I am a visual effects artist, and I'll be guiding you through this fascinating journey. With years of experience in visual effects and a passion for teaching, I'm here to make learning scripting in After Effects as accessible and engaging as possible. In this series, we'll start with the basics, understanding the After Effects scripting environment, and gradually move towards creating our own scripts to automate repetitive tasks, enhance efficiency, and unleash our creative potential. We're in this together, and I'm excited to see what you'll create with the skills you learn. Remember, every expert wants a beginner. So, grab your notepad, open After Effects, and let's get started. Before you go, make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Share this video with someone who'd love to learn After Effects scripting. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial, where we'll dive into the basics of After Effects scripting. Until then, keep experimenting and learning. Goodbye.